Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video we have an amazing news for millions of Samsung Galaxy owners. Samsung has officially stated that One UI 8.0 beta is coming to even more Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to look at the details. I'm going to show you guys exactly what phones are going to be getting One UI Beta 8, meaning all the eligible smartphones, and also when they're going to get it. And also I'm going to show you guys some amazing features to look forward to. Now, one of those features is this feature right here. If you have Samsung Galaxy Buds, and if you go to your phone's settings, and if you open this up and put it next to the phone, you're going to see the menu is going to pop up right here for quick access. So that's a new One UI 8 feature that I'm looking forward to having. And also the other thing that I'm going to look forward to is this one right here. This is a brand new erase background feature. So you can see I have a fox as a background. When I tap to wake it up, the background comes into existence. And when you tap it again to go to sleep, you can see the background gets erased, okay? And the subject actually zooms in a little bit. So now, zoom out, background into existence. So that's one feature you want to look forward to with One UI 8. Additionally, with One UI 8, when you're running split screen multitasking, you now have the capability to swipe down and have this small area available while you can still focus on one application nearly full screen. But if you ever need to go over here, you can quickly just bring it up like that. And there are so many more features. We're going to talk about all those in a new video once the beta is released. But I do want to show you guys what phones are eligible and when they're getting. So first, the main phones. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Z Flip 6 are going to be eligible for One UI Beta 8.0 next week. That's going to be the week of August 11th. Now, if I scroll down, you can see it is going to be available in Korea, the United States, and the UK, and that's for next week, and more countries are going to be eligible within another few weeks. So that's first wave. The next wave, it's going to be September. So in September, the availability of the beta is going to extend to the Galaxy S23, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and good news, even some of the A series, the A36 5G, A55 5G, and A35 5G, as well as A54, and of course, more will be available. Now, users can sign up for the beta in the Samsung Members application, and that goes on for any phone that's going to be eligible. All you do is you go to Members application, okay, like this. This is just so you guys are ready when it pops up on your phone. It is going to pop up in the Members application. It's going to look like this. It's going to say Beta Program. You tap on it, and this one is already enrolled. As you can see, this is the S25, but you'll see for your own phone available here. You tap, and you simply enroll. That's it. So that's one update right over there. And I also want to let you know that if you do have Samsung Galaxy S25, the official version of One UI 8 is going to be rolled out to this phone. That's for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus. And of course, One UI 8 Watch will also expand to more Galaxy Watch models. So that's the big news for Samsung Galaxy owners. Next week, like we said, if you have an S24 series phone, Z Fold 6 or the Flip 6 in US, UK, and India, and Korea, boom, you got it. And later in September, more phones will become eligible. And of course, as time passes, even more phones will get that. And of course, Samsung will give us an updated list of phones that will get One UI 8. There is also a new feature in the camera application that I'm really looking forward to using on a daily basis. When you launch the camera, now you can turn off when you swipe up. Instead of switching the cameras, you can swipe up, and that brings in the actual controls. You can see, boom, boom, okay? And again, if you go to settings, that is going to be available right over here. Swipe to switch cameras or open quick controls. I'm going to have it right there. Now, this is just my beta phone over here, and I have switched to the Z Fold 7, so I get to use this every day anyway because the Z Fold 7 has One UI 8, but I'm also looking forward to seeing this on the S25 as a final stable release. Alright guys, so that's it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day, alright?